There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Dodge Durango SRT in white knuckle. With HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO performance brakes, blind spot and cross-path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 62,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, configurable drive modes, heated rear seats, power sunroof, rear DVD entertainment package, third row seating, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PT2201.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.